Today we eat pasta with Cappellito. The ingredients we need are pasta, garlic, some crumbs we fried in the pan, some mint and some olive oil and the so-called Cappellito who is minced. Let's cook the pasta. The main ingredient of this dish is the Cappellito. The Cappellito is made by tomato dehydrated under the summer sun and then salted, broken in some pieces and seasoned with some olive oil and some mint and some black pepper. The other ingredients are fried crumbs and seasoned with some garlic, and then some mint leaves that we use to decorate the dishes and increase the scent. Now Andrea is providing to complete this dish. He puts some oil in the pan and is browning some garlic. He adds some more oil and pours the spaghetti in the pan. He adds the Cappellito, and he mixes with some pasta flavoring all the ingredients. Now the pasta is ready and Andrea will put it into the plate. Let's add some mint. And to complete the dish, let's add some toasted crumbs. The dish is ready.
Lo gira, lo fa insaporire tutti gli ingredienti. Ora il piatto è pronto, Andrea provvederà a impiattarlo. Un po' di mentuccia. Ecco, per completare il piatto un po' di mollica. Il piatto è pronto, buon appetito.